Hello. So in this particular video, I'm doing an update of my video I did on how to create an expression of interest. So last time I created a video on how to create expression of interest step by step. And at that point of time, the score was not awarded instantly. This particular time, I'm trying to do a video where I hope the points of my expression of interest gets awarded immediately. So let's see how it is done in this particular video, where we will create our expression of interest and check our scores almost instantly. So what you would do, you would come and log into the Alberta Advantage Immigration Program portal. This I have covered earlier also. You would create an account, come here and then click on create new expression of interest for workers. This is what you would click. It will open a new expression of interest form. You will give some confirmation and then give your name. Here you will select which pathway you are interested in. So say for example, I think I am qualified for tech pathway. So I entered my tech pathway. Then, do you have a valid work permit issued by Ircc? You would say yes. In most of the cases, you would need a valid status in Canada, and then work permit is one such type. Expand the list of work permit type, and these are all the different work permits which are allowed to be entered. You would choose one of the types of work permits. If for any reason you don't have a work permit in the list, you can always select others, but in my opinion you should have a work permit which falls in one of these categories. So you would just click on work permit type, put a expiry date, again a totally made up date. This is totally a demonstration based expression of interest. Are you in currently express entry pool? Yes, I am. So my express entry number is say 5. I'm just making up a number. This is not a real number again. Expression of interest expiry, express entry profile expiry, score 444. NOC, I will just select one from the list. I will just select one from the list. Again, a totally random NOC number. Highest level of education completed. Say I have done my bachelor's, and if I have completed my highest level of education in Canada, then the location. So my education was not in Canada, so I will just leave this blank. And then ECA. ECA, I will say yes, I have a ECA completed for my bachelor's from India. English level proficiency, I'll say good, and I have not taken a test for French. Work experience, I have more than 12 months of work experience, and I don't have any work experience in Alberta. I don't have any work experience in Canada. My age bracket is this. I don't have a family in Alberta, but I do have a job offer for full-time employment in Alberta. So this is very important. I don't have an endorsement letter from a rural renewal community. My job offer is not for tourism and hospitality, and my job offer is not in law enforcement. So I cannot select any of these, but I do have a job offer for Alberta. NOC for my job offer, I have got NOC in the same occupation. After NOC, I need to enter my NAICS code. This NAICS is mostly applicable for tech pathway, but I will just select some random NOC. To select a correct NAICS for your application. Okay, so this NAICS is important in that respect. Location of job offer of, so my job offer is say in Calgary. Let's see how much point. I will not get points if I select Calgary. You choose based on your actual job offer. Okay, and then alignment, I meet the so the next question is about regulatory requirement. My job occupation is not regulated, so I will not check this box. Then I will sign this particular application and authorize my information. I have not used a representative and nobody has helped me create this application, and then I am saying that the information that I am giving is true to my knowledge. So this is how it is done, how you submit your expression of interest. Once you are done, you would click on submit. If there is any issue with the form, the form should say you that at this particular stage, but if not, your form will be submitted and you will be entered into the pool of expression of interest. Depending on what your score is, Alberta might invite you for a invitation to apply. See, at this particular stage, as soon as I submitted my application, a score was awarded and I was awarded 42 points for my expression of interest. I would open my expression of interest and can see the breakup, how and what my 42 points constituted of. So if I keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down, keep going down. Yeah. So this is how you get your points awarded. So this is the breakup of my point. I got 7 for education, 10 for language, 11 for my work experience. I don't have any Canada experience, so I got no points. I got 4 for age, no points for Alberta family, and 10 points for job offer, and then no points for location and no points for regulated occupation. So I got a 32 in my human capital and 10 in my economic factor with a total of 42. If for any reason I want to make any change, unfortunately there is no capability yet to update the expression of interest. So the only way is to cancel the expression of interest. But remember, if you cancel it, there is no way of reinstating this expression of interest. Okay, so that is it I wanted to cover in this particular presentation. Just wanted to show you how Alberta is now giving instant points at the time of creation of application. You can always go back to your expression of interest and check your points and its breakup. So thank you. This is the expression of interest we just created today, and we got the points awarded here. Okay, so I think that's it from my side for this particular presentation, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much and have a nice day.